Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play King of My Heart. We will begin by identifying the core elements needed to master this beautiful song. First, you will learn the 4 fundamental chords that form the backbone of the entire piece. Next, we will discuss the crucial role of the capo, ensuring you play in the correct key. Finally, I will guide you through a simple practice approach to help you smoothly transition between chords, setting a solid foundation for your performance. Let's dive into the essential chords and strumming pattern for King of My Heart. The primary chords you'll need are G, C, M, and D. These 4 chords repeat throughout most of the song. For the strumming, a common and effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain a steady rhythm, which is key to capturing the song's feel. Practice these chords and the strumming pattern together until they feel natural. Now, let's talk about the capo, a vital tool for playing King of My Heart in its original sound. You will want to place your capo on the 2nd fret of your guitar. This simple adjustment effectively raises the pitch of your open strings, allowing you to play the familiar G, C, M, and D chord shapes while sounding in the key of a major. Using a capo makes the song much more accessible, as it avoids more complex bar chords. To truly master King of My Heart, consistent practice is key. Focus on the main chord progression, G, C, M, and D. Play these 4 chords in sequence, striving for smooth and seamless transitions between each one. Start slowly, perhaps at half speed, and gradually increase your tempo as you gain confidence. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize the song's timing and feel, guiding your practice sessions effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.